Welcome to Touch to Click. Today we'll show you how to delete Pixverse AI video and tidy up your gallery easily. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Pixverse AI website. Then log into your account so you can access your saved videos. Step 2. Click the Create tab on the left-hand side, then select the video option. This is where all your created videos are stored. Step 3. Browse through your videos and find the one you want to delete, making sure it's the correct one. Step 4. Click on the video to open it and see the available actions. Step 5. Click the delete icon located under the video, which is used for removing content. Step 6. Click confirm to permanently remove the video from your gallery. Once confirmed, it cannot be recovered. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful guides.